Hey guys, Mike Nielsen here from RealSense. We're here at Hannover Messe 2026. Industrial companies, robotics companies, packaging materials, CNC, you name it, reductive, additive, everything imaginable in the industrial space is here. And it's an extraordinary show. This place is unbelievably large. So hope to talk to you more about the show as we go through. What you see behind me is just a whole host of our products. We've got our RealSense cameras ranging from really close in range, the D401. We've got the 435, which of course has been our highest producing runner for a very long time, as well as the 436, which we just announced. Looks almost exactly like this. And then up to the 415, the 455, and everything else in the portfolio. What we're showing here is the collection of the GMSL portfolio that we just announced here for Hannover Messe. The D401, the 415, the 430, and the 450, and enables all of those to be GMSL variants, which allows them to be implemented in both industrial robotics as well as dirty and dangerous industrial environments.
It has a very strong quality of data. It works in real time.
Very powerful performance, rich feature, allowing the developer to develop their applications very quickly and easily.
RealSense provides real flexible interfaces and it's really easy to use.
These are amazing results thanks to this camera.
If you have a chance, please come by. We're over here in Hall 26 and we're in booth number D29. We're near the robotics and application zones. So you'll see it's kind of busy around me right now, but we're here all day, we're here all week. So thanks again for your time.